Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online tutoring with Chegg, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving on online tutoring with Chegg, visit the Chegg website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary information, including your email and a password. Once logged in, navigate to the tutoring section on the homepage. Browse through the available subjects to find the one you need help with. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific topic. Chegg often provides a free trial for new users. Make sure to take advantage of this when you first sign up. Check for any current promotions or discounts on tutoring services. These promotions can significantly lower your overall costs. Consider subscribing to Chegg Study if you plan on using the service regularly. This subscription offers more benefits, including access to study resources and solutions. Once you select a tutor, review their profiles and ratings. This helps ensure you choose before your session, prepare your questions or topics in advance. This makes the most of your tutoring time. During the session, communicate openly with your tutor. Feel free to ask questions and request clarifications as needed. After the session, take notes on what you learned. This reinforces the material and helps you retain information. Lastly, keep an eye out for additional savings or loyalty programs Chegg may offer. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings while using Chegg's tutoring services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.